Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is open the Google Play Games app, and then we want to go to the top right hand corner where the three dots are located and select Settings. Okay, so once in Settings, you'll see multiple sections underneath here. So we're looking for Profile and Privacy, and then underneath there we want to go to Games that you play can't automatically access your friends list. If you just press the pencil icon to the right. Once in this section, if you just select yes to this question to make sure that you can play automatically access your friends list, then you just go back. And then we want to select the pencil icon next to Only Friends Can See Your Game Activity. Change this particular bit to Everyone. And now everyone can see your game activity, so those settings have now been saved. You just need to next toggle the Let Others Find Your Profile using your email address, turn that to on. And there we have it. That is how to transfer Google Play Games data to your Game Center. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.